Hey friends, it's Becca and I'm back with another YouTube video. It has been a while since I've last uploaded. Today I'm going to show you how I grew my hair from about chin length to where it is now. I have been getting a lot of comments from friends and family and even people on Instagram saying, "Wow, Becca, your hair looks really long. What do you do?" So I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to make another YouTube video. Yay! So if you want to learn what I've been doing for the past couple months to grow my hair, stay tuned. Numero uno is diet. No, not crazy crash course diet, but you need to feed your body water, good clean water, healthy fruits and vegetables, limit the dairy, limit the animal products. I was vegetarian for a really long time, but I made the switch to becoming vegan about 6 months ago, and that is when my hair just grew like crazy. Throw in a few superfoods here and there, it really makes a difference. Tip numero dos is, are you ready? It's a secret. Okay. I heard a lot of YouTubers say this and I didn't believe it until I started doing it, but after you shower, you're going to put the water down to freezing cold and dunk your head underneath the faucet and let that cold water like go through your scalp and close up your pores on your head and all that. It's freezing, it's definitely refreshing, but if you can do that consistently, your hair will grow. It's not easy, but it'll grow. I have a funny story actually. This summer our water heater broke back home at my parents' house, and so we were forced to take cold showers. It was difficult, it was cringy, but we did it, and I noticed a big difference in my hair. And it was shinier, it didn't frizz up as quick. I definitely had that gloss over my curls, and they were bouncy, so I definitely recommend that you try that today. So number 3 is scalp massages. You can get your little notepad down and write this down right quick. Scalp massages. Find somebody who has magic fingers who can give you a scalp massage, because it really feels good. And if you don't have that person, do it yourself. Just like starting at the bottom. This is what I do. I start at the bottom in the back, and I just start around my ears, and you massage like in a circular motion, and it feels really good. Not only does this help your hair grow, but it also helps relieve stress. So if you're a college student like me, it's finals time or school's about to start again, this is what you should do. Killing 2 birds with 1 stone. You're getting your hair growth going, getting your hair follicles and the blood flowing to your scalp, but you're also reducing stress, and it feels really, really, really good. Drum roll please. Number 4, don't do tight hairstyles. I noticed with me personally, when I pull my hair and I'm like putting up in that tight ponytail, and I take that ponytail down at the end of the day, there's a lot of hair falling out. So just try to be gentle with your scalp and gentle with your ends. So you don't want to be pulling your ends any tighter than they're meant to be pulled, and you don't want to be pulling out your scalp too much, just because that could cause your hair to break, and breakage is not fun, let me tell you. Number 5, keep your scalp clean. Now, this was definitely a process for me, because I went from washing and shampooing my hair every single day. This was back before I knew how to take care of my hair, but washing and shampooing every single day, to then hearing about the no poo method. So then I stopped. Like, I would shampoo my hair whenever I felt like it, but I don't think it was enough, because I constantly had buildup. Even after I shampooed my hair, I'd have buildup, and my scalp would get itchy sometimes. So what I started doing was, for sure, washing my hair. I bumped it from once a week to twice a week. And I think everybody's different. It depends on the climate that you live in, your hair texture, your hair type, how much you go to the gym and sweat. But washing my hair about twice a week definitely helps. And I make sure I do it on a day that I can get away with the wash and go, because you know, you can't always do that. That was my video I had for you today. 5 hair growth hacks that I've personally used. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, hit the subscribe button and share with all your friends, family, frenemies, sisters, misters. Leave a comment, let me know what you think and what other types of videos you would like to see. Alright guys, have an amazing day and thank you so much for watching.